Poland Capital is an investment management company. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. This is the headquarters, and we have offices in Boston and London. Poland Capital over the past several years has seen tremendous growth. We were initially on the third floor, and needing more space to accommodate our growth, we took space on the second floor. It was important that we didn't have two disconnected spaces, but one together. So to accommodate this, we worked closely with a partner that we've worked with for many years before to incorporate the second floor.
I'm Mike Ramuno of MJR Construction. We're here today at one of our recently completed projects. What was unique about this project was that they decided to put in a new set of internal stairs from the third floor down into the new space on the second floor.
Many architects and structural engineers really doubted if we could have a staircase of this size and weight in our office building. But we had the fortitude, foresight, and get it done attitude to make it work. Design discussions began in spring of 2019, with demolition starting in January of 2020.
The stairs were the most important and difficult part of the job here. We were working with TPG Architecture to put all this together. They were the ones that came in and did all of the design. The company that did the stair work itself is called Modulo.
My name is Giancarlo Giusti. I'm an architect based in Tampa. The first challenge is the coordination with the architect, the owner, the structural engineer, us and the construction company. And that coordination was very smooth. I think that we have created around 14 or 15 sets of drawings. It's gotta be so perfect and unique because not only it needs to look good, but then it also needs to meet code. The room for error here is to the 16th of an inch.
Started out with the second floor being reinforced from the underside on the first floor, which required that we bring in structural steel I-beams and reinforce the second floor to support the weight of the new set of stairs. From there, we moved up to the second floor and flew in the structural steel through the window so that we could reinforce the underside of the third floor, which allowed us to cut a 20-foot by 20-foot hole in the third floor. Once we cut the opening in the floor, we had to reinforce that opening. The structural steel had to be designed and installed in place to support all of the new loads. Modulo took over from there.
There is a lot of weight on this staircase. This is like a 15,000-pound architectural element.
Giancarlo Augusti has put together an amazing team of people that he brought over here to work with us on the project. In their field, they're top of the line. They worked seamlessly, and I was really impressed by the way they came together and put the stair portion of this thing together. Being in the business for 40 years, the team of subcontractors that MJR was able to bring on board is what makes these projects come together. They're familiar with what I require of them with regards to finished product and make sure that we don't cut any corners. Everything's 100% to everybody's satisfaction. What you're going to find here with the people that I was able to put this all together with is an amazing finished product throughout. The hats off go all the way back to TPG for their initial design and their selection of finishes and their whole concept as to what this was supposed to look like.
Our final staircase components were completed in May of this year, 2021. So it's really been a 2-year exercise, a labor of love for all of us.
The design intent from TPG was to give the impression that the glass rails were kind of cutting through the stone of the treads.
When you look at it in the space, it's very transparent. It becomes an iconic element. The stone end caps makes it look like it's just one monolithic material, which is the white steel that's been painted, and then the glass. And so when you travel through the staircase, you feel like you're floating.
So we really wanted to highlight the connectivity as soon as someone walks into the space. So this is connected to our reception area and flows right into an open area where employees or guests could get together to collaborate. So on the second floor, we wanted to carry that through. We have an open area kitchen, a meeting table in an open space, then really a communal area where anyone at the firm can come and gather.
I think it turned out amazing. I'm proud of everyone on the MJR team that worked with us on this, and I'm proud of the product that we turned out here for Poland Capital.